Good afternoon and welcome to this podcast presented by Pharma IQ. I'm your host Richard De Silva. Today I'm talking with Andrew Owen, Senior Lecturer at the MRC Centre for Drug Safety Science at the University of Liverpool. Good afternoon, Andrew. How are you?
Good afternoon, Rich. I'm good.
Very good. Pleasure to have you on the show. So in broad terms, Andrew, could you tell us what the key strategies are for exploring potential pharmacogenetic associations?
Sure. So in broad terms, I guess there are two overarching strategies which have been employed for investigating pharmacogenetic associations. The first will typically be in vitro studies, which have been employed to investigate mechanisms involved for a particular phenotype. So, for example, if the phenotype is the variability in pharmacokinetics or the variability in drug exposure for a particular drug, then the affinity of that drug for transporters that may influence its permeation across the gut or uptake into the liver can be investigated in vitro using model systems. Once you know that the drug is transported by a particular transporter, then you can design candidate gene type pharmacogenetic studies in order to investigate the genetic association. The second method, which has arisen more recently with the expansion in technologies available for genotyping, has allowed more thorough analysis of genetic variants across the entire genome. So genome-wide association studies, or GWAS, are becoming more common and have yielded some important data. I think the important thing, though, with the GWAS type studies is that the mechanisms for the associations which are explored in this way still need to be confirmed in the laboratory.